Gary Black posted on Twitter today when the first OEM signs an FSD licensing deal with Tesla, shorts will scramble. This comes after Elon Musk said on July 29th something special is coming soon. Maybe it was just this post of Elon wearing a I Heart Canada shirt. Or maybe it's something a little bit more serious, or maybe Elon has been warning you that a short squeeze is coming for over a month now. What does the short position in Tesla stock currently sit at, and could this be as explosive as what we have seen from other short squeezes, most notably when Tesla stock went from about $180 per share to $414 per share? Could something similar be around the corner? Well, you're going to get answers to all of that here in this video. And don't just agree with me. Leave your thoughts, comments, questions, concerns down below in the comment section. What do you think is coming for Tesla stock? Elon Musk said on July 7th that Tesla is very close to achieving full self-driving without human supervision, and this could happen by the end of this year. Then Elon said on July 20th during Tesla's earnings call that Tesla is in talks with a major OEM to license full self-driving. Elon Musk then said on July 29th something special coming soon. Elon Musk is forced to be a very cryptic individual when it comes to Tesla. Even if he wanted to tell you that a licensing deal for full self-driving is coming, he does not have that ability to do so ever since the SEC won't let him be and won't let him post what he would like to post because he gets sued all the dang time. Tesla, I should say an attorney for Tesla, has to review all of his tweets before they are posted. I personally think Elon wants us to put these pieces together. It's pretty easy to see. He's telling you something. After all, how would you explain this ominous message to the shorts? Elon posted February 4th, 2021, "I am become meme, destroyer of shorts." He responded to that tweet on July 22nd, again, notice the interesting timeline there, and said, quote, "And they keep coming back for more, ... I really don't know how it could get more obvious than this. I guess you always have to be open to the idea that Elon is just doing this for fun, because what's fun anymore if you're worth almost $300 billion? Again, that's a possibility. Although the signs are definitely there. Something is brewing over at Tesla. And the short sellers are taking massive losses in 2023 already. On February 21st, 2023, Tesla shorts had lost $7 billion so far on the year. On February 21st, 2023, Tesla stock was trading in the $195 to $200 price range. So for context, a vast majority of the current short positions that you're seeing on Tesla were taken out when Tesla was in between $100 and $150 per share. At the peak of the latest rally that we have seen with Tesla, when Tesla hit almost $300 per share, short sellers had lost about $17 billion. Today, short seller losses are in between $14 and $15 billion. The loss to short sellers in 2023 is the biggest loss that they have seen in a single year since 2020. Even in 2021, short sellers only lost $10.3 billion, although the numbers we're seeing today are nowhere close to the $40.7 billion loss shorts suffered in 2020 when Tesla shares climbed 743%. The dollar amount that's currently sold short in Tesla stock is $23.31 billion. Although this has fallen a little bit, the shorts have not covered. The only thing that has fallen is the price of Tesla stock. This $23.31 billion is up from 15.24 billion 3 months ago, indicating a potential short seller loss of about 53% in just 3 months. In terms of a short squeeze, what can actually be even more impactful is a gamma squeeze. This works as bullish investors rush into the options market, or maybe they have held call options for a while those calls start to go into the money. Who takes the back end of options? It's market makers with billions and billions of dollars of liquidity that have to hedge out their positions. If you are winning, they are losing. That means they have to go buy themselves some Tesla stock, and that's where you get into a gamma squeeze. More calls going into the money, more buying from market makers, the higher Tesla stock goes, the worse off the shorts are, and it's just a snowballing effect. So when I look at the option activity, what I find is actually quite crazy, because when you start to look out to major option expirations such as September 15th, November 17th, December 15th, and especially once you get into 2024, January and March, the largest strikes for Tesla's calls or puts are the way out the money options. We're talking like a short squeeze plus a gamma squeeze to get here. For September 15th, the strike with the largest amount of open interest is the 758 call, and that has 93,000 for open interest. If you look at other expirations, look at January 19th, some don't have as much just activity because they're a little bit newer, especially the ones in early September. But if you look at January 19th, 2024, by far the largest strike of open interest, which open interest, if you guys don't know, is how many contracts are held in people's brokerage accounts currently. Well, on January 19, 2024, it's the 825 call with 93,000 for open interest. Now, to help put in context how much of Tesla's stock is currently sold short of 23.31 billion. 23 billion is the exact amount of Tesla stock that Elon Musk sold in 2022 to buy Twitter. Retail investors bought $17 billion worth of Tesla stock in 2022, which was a record for any other year so far. So yeah, when you look at it with relative context, 23.3 billion sold short is a very large amount, but in the event Tesla does actually license full self-driving or something else that is a massive catalyst in that same regard, well, the options would also have a big role to play in sending Tesla stock higher. Now, why could Tesla reasonably go even past all-time highs? Think about this quite logically. Tesla's business is no longer the same as what it was in 2021. EPS has grown massively. Revenue, profits, deliveries, everything has grown so much since 2021. We're talking hundreds of percents. Whereas at the same time, the valuation for Tesla has only gone straight down. It's a lot cheaper to buy Tesla stock today than it was, especially in 2020, as well as 2021. That's because the Fed has been raising rates for the last 18 months now, and investors were fearing a recession. While it looks like the Fed's basically done raising rates, and it looks like a recession, to be quite honest, is far away. So Tesla should, in theory, basic Econ 101, should be able to do very well in this environment. So it's not like you have this doom and gloom backdrop. There's not a good short thesis, aka a reason to be short, in Tesla in 2023, especially considering the Cybertruck is going to start deliveries here in just the next 2 months or so. Boy, I would be scared if I was a short seller. And now for a little bit more context, if you wanted to see Tesla stock today, where Tesla was at in 2021 on a valuation PE multiple basis, Tesla stock would be almost $800 per share. Then you would have the same equivalent valuation of what you've seen in November of 2021. That's how much Tesla's business has grown since then. And that's how cheap, in context, you're getting Tesla stock today. As far as where Tesla could ultimately go, if we were to see a short squeeze, it really depends on the kind of news. Licensing of full self-driving could be massive, well past all-time highs. The delivery date for the Cybertruck, we start to get some of those delivered. Well, probably not as large as full self-driving, because full self-driving has much higher profit margins, and justifiably so, the stock would rally more. But I think those are the two biggest potential upcoming catalysts that could cause a short squeeze. Now, I don't know if there's going to be one, and I'm not going to sit here and say there is going to be one. Maybe not. Maybe so. But Elon, well, if you pay attention to what he says, it looks like he is signaling that one could be around the corner, and Gary Black also thinks that is a possibility. So let me know what you think about all of this information down below in the comment section. Do you think a short squeeze is possible? What would cause it, and how high could Tesla stock go? As well as that, just let me know where you think the stock is going organically in 2024. I would love to hear your opinions. But that is it. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.